Hello, good morning students, class 6, welcome back in my video class. Students, as you know, now we are continuing with lesson number 12 in history, culture and science. In previous video, we have discussed about very short question answer and also exercise. So today we will discuss about long question answer. So let's start with first question. First question is here, what is the stupa and describe its features. So you have to write answer. A stupa is the type of the Buddhist monument. It is usually a dome-shaped structure with a central chamber. Features: some relics of Buddha and other monks were placed in sealed caskets and kept in these stupas. Second, most of the stupas were surrounded by the fence and a path called the Pradakshina path. Third, the stupa had many gateways which were decorated with carving depicting events from the life of Buddha. Question number second is here. What are the common features of the temples in the northern and southern India? So you have to write answer here. Both the North Indian and South Indian temples had some features in common. First, Garbhagriha. Garbhagriha was the main ceremony where the idol of the chief deity was consecrated. Priests performed rituals and devotees worshipped the deity. Now, second, Shikhar. So, Shikhar was the tower on top of the Garbhagriha to regard it is a holy place. Third, Mandap. Mandap was the assembly hall where devotees gathered together and offered their prayers. Question number third. What was the language of the Buddhist and Jain text? Write about some of these texts. So you have to write. The Buddhist and Jain religious texts were originally composed in Prakriti. Some of them were later translated into Sanskrit. Jain sacred initially consisted of 14 texts or scriptures called Purvas. The Tipikatas, the Abhidham Pitaka, and the Vinaya Pitaka are three important Buddhist texts that contain the teaching of the Buddha. They are known as sutras in Sanskrit and sutras in Pali. In this way, since your long question answer of lesson 12 is completed now, so you have to write these question answers in your fair copy with the help of captures. Thank you so much.